Namaste everyone. Now let us see this sixth question. Here we have to evaluate this particular product. Okay, so first of all we use the trigonometric formula and find out its values, right? So this 4 sine 30 we can write, you have to first write this statement, you have to write this, and after that you can write this is equals to, in solution, it is 4 sine 30. What is the value of sine 30? It is 1 by 2. And here 2 into cos 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 90, sin 90 is 1, and cos 0 is 1, so you get 2 here. Now here you have 4, 5, 5, 4. So this is equals to 4 into half is 2. 2 into half is 1. Here it is 1, and here it is 2. Then here we have 4, 5, 5, 4. Then we multiply and we get 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5. Here we get 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4. Now down side it is 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5. And here it is 1 into 5 plus 2 into 4. This is equals to 2 into 4, 2 4 the 8 plus 1 into 5, 5. Here 1 into 4 is 4, 2 5 the 10. Then here 2 5 the 10 plus 1 4 the 4. 1 into 5, 5 plus 2 4 the 8. So this is equals to 8 plus 5, 13, 10 plus 4, 14, 4 plus 10, 14, and 5 plus 8, 13. This is the required answer. Yes, okay. Now seventh problem. Now the seventh problem is if A and B are given, then find AB plus BA. So AB plus BA, first find out the value of AB. AB is minus 1, 3, 2, 4, and B is 2 minus 3, minus 4, minus 6. We multiply, so we get this first row will multiply this first column. So this minus 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 4, and here we get minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 6. In the second row we get 2 into 2 plus 4 into minus 4. Here we get 2 into minus 3 plus 4 into minus 6. This is equals to, now minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. So this is minus 2 minus 12, and this is 2 to the 4 minus 16, and here we get 3 minus 3 6 the 18, and here minus 6 4 the 24. So we get minus 14, minus 15, minus 12, and minus 30. So this is the value of AB. Okay. Similarly BA. So BA, first I will write B, which is 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 6, and into A, that is minus 1 3 and 2 4. Okay, so its multiplication, this is equals to, here we get 2 into minus 1 plus this is minus 3 into 2. Here we get 2 into this line will multiply with this second, so 2 into 3 minus 3 into 4, and in the second row this is minus 4 into minus 1 plus this is minus 6 into 2. Here it is minus 4 into 3 and minus 6 into 4. Either I write plus minus 6 into 4 or this minus 6 into 4. They are one and the same thing. So this is equals to, here we get minus 2, minus 6, here we get plus 4, minus 12, here we get 3 to the 6, minus 4 3 to the 12, here we get 4 3 the 12 and 6 4 the 24. So this is equals to, this is minus 8 and this is minus 6, this is minus 8 and this is minus 36. So therefore now I have to find AB plus BA. Now the value of AB is minus 14, minus 15, minus 12, minus 30. Minus 14, minus 15, minus 12, minus 30. This is the value of AB. And value of BA is plus, the value of BA is minus 8, minus 6, minus 8, minus 36. So this is equals to, now here it is minus 14, minus 8. Then here it is minus 15, minus 6. In the second line we have minus 12, minus 8, and here we have minus 30, minus 36. So this is equals to, this is minus 22 and this is minus 30, and here this is minus 21 and this is minus 66. So this is AB plus BA. This is AB plus BA. The value of AB plus BA is minus 22, minus 21, minus 30, minus 66. Yes, okay. Now let us move to question number 8. Eighth problem, we have given A and B. Value of A and B is given and we have to find 2B minus A square. So let us first find A square. A square is A into A. So this is equals to, the value of A is 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 into, it is multiplied by 1 minus 2 and 2 minus 1. So this is equals to, now here 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2, and here it is 1 into minus 2 minus 2 into minus 1. In the second row we have 2 into 1 minus 1 into 2. Here we have 2 into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 1. So this calculation will give me answer as, this is equals to, 1 into 1 is 1 minus 4. This is minus 2 plus 2. Here we have 2 minus 2 and here we have minus 4 plus 1. So this is equals to, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So this is the value of A square. Now we have to find 2B minus A square. So therefore value of 2B minus A square is equals to, so 2B means 2 into, the value of B here is 2, 3 2 minus 2 1, 3 2, this is 3 2 minus 2 1. So this is 2B minus A square. A square is minus 3 0 0 and minus 3. So this is equals to, now here 2 into 3 it is 6, this is 2 to the 4, this is minus 4, this is plus 2, minus, here we have minus 3 0 0 minus 3. So this is equals to, now 6, it is 6 minus minus, it will become plus, 6 plus 3, this is 4 minus 0, this is minus 4 minus 0, and this is 2 plus 3. this is equals to 6 plus 3 is 9, this is 4, this is minus 4, this is 5. This is the value of 2b minus a square. 2b minus a square is this value, right? Okay, now let us see ninth problem. Question number 9. Now here the ninth problem is, we have given a, b and c, and we have to find a into b plus c and b plus c into a. So first you have to calculate what is the value of b plus c. So b plus c, here b, which is 2 1 4 2, plus c, so c we have 5 1 7 4. So this b plus c will give me this 2 plus 5, and here it is 1 plus 1, and here it is 4 plus 7, and this is 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 7 is 11, and 4 plus 2 is 6. This is b plus c. Now we have to calculate a into b plus c. So therefore a into b plus c. So the value of a we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And the value of b plus c we have 7, 2, 11, 6. So its product, this is equals to, now this line I will multiply by this line. So it is 1 into 7 plus 2 into 11, and here it is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 6. Now here downside, here it is 3 into 7 plus 4 into 11. Here it is 3 into 2 plus 4 into 6. So this is 7 plus 22. Here it is 2 plus 2 6 are 12. 3 7 are, this is 21 plus 44, and here 6 plus 24. Okay, so now what do you get? 29, 14, 65 and 30. This is a into b plus c. Now second, b plus c into a. So in the same way you can find this product, b plus c into a. Okay, fine. Now let us move to 10th problem. A, b and c is given. We have to find c into b minus a. So first we find b minus a. 2 1 3 2 minus a is 1 2 2 3. So b minus a will become 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 2 minus 3. And this will give me, this is equals to 1 minus 1, 1 and minus 1. This is b minus a. Now I have to multiply this b minus a by c. So therefore I will say that c into b minus a. So c into b minus a, first I will write c. The value of c is 1331. It is 1331. Into b minus a is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Okay, so we get its product. This line, it is going to be multiplied by this line. So it is 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1. Second, here we get 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Second line we have 3 into 1 plus 1 into 1, and here it is 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1. So this is equals to 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3. Here it is minus 1 minus 3. Here it is 3 plus 1, and here it is minus 3 minus 1. So finally 1 plus 3 we get 4. Here we get minus 4. Here we get 4, and this is minus 4. So this is the value of c into b minus a. 10th problem, ABC given and we have to find C into B minus A. So always you have to solve bracket first and then do the calculation. Okay, now let us move to question number 11. Here in question number 11, A given, B given, we have to find A square plus AB plus B square. So let us first find A square. So A square is A into A, that is 1021. It is multiplied by 1021. So this will give me 1 into 1 plus this is 0 into 2. Here it is 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. In the second line we have 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2, and here we have 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0. Here it is 2 plus 2. So we can write direct calculation. Here we will say that this is 1 plus 0 is 1, and here it is 2 plus 2 is 4. Write it as 4. And here 1 into 0 0, 0 into 1 is 0, so this is 0, and this is 0 plus 1, so that is 1. So this is A square. And similarly we can find out AB. AB is A, first write 1 0 2 1, and B is 2 3 minus 6 0. Okay, so this is equals to, now let us say this as equation 1. Okay, this is equals to 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 6. Here it is 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. On the second line we have 2 into 2 plus 1 into minus 6. What we are doing? Second line we are multiplying with first column, like that. So here we have 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0. So this gives me finally, here 2 into 1 is 2, 0 into minus 6 is 0, here 2 to the 4, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, and here 1 into 3 3, 0 into 1 that is 0, and 2 into 3 it is 6. So this is the value of AB. We can say that this is equation number 2. Then third we have to find B square. So B square, B into B, that is value of B is 2 3 minus 6 0. This is your B component, na? 2 3 minus 6 0. This is multiplied by 2 3 minus 6 0. Okay, so now this product, this is equals to, here what we get? We get 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 6. Here we get 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Here we get minus 6 into 2 plus 0 into minus 6, and last we get minus 6 into 3 plus 0 into 0. This is equals to 2 into 2 is 4, minus 3 6 are 18, this is minus 12, and this is 0. Here we have 6 plus 0, here we have minus 18 plus 0. This is equals to 4 minus 18 is minus 14, 6. This is minus 12, this is minus 18. This is B square. This is third equation. So therefore we have to find A square plus AB plus B square. So this will become, this is equals to, now the value of A square, what we write for A square? We say that it is 1401. This is 1 4 and 0 1. This is A square plus AB. The value of AB is 2 minus 2 3 6. Value of B square. Value of B square is minus 14 minus 12 plus 6 minus 18. So this is equals to, here it is 1 plus 2 minus 14, here it is 0 plus 3 plus 6, here it is 4 minus 2 minus 12, and here it is 1 plus 6 minus 18. So this is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 14 is minus 11, and this is 3 plus 6 is 9. Here it is 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 minus 12 is minus 10, and here it is 1 plus 18 is minus 11 plus 8. This is 11th question. Now last question we will see, 12th question. This 12th problem is again the same as 11th problem. So what you do, you pause the video and first solve this problem by yourself, and then check whether your answer and my answer they match with each other. Now here in this problem we have a square plus ac minus 5b. So we have to find a square first. A square means a into a. So a is 2, 1 and 0 minus 2 into, I have to multiply by a only, that is 2, 1, 0 minus 2. So this gives us this line 2 into 2, we can say 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0. Here it is 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 plus this is minus 2 into 0, and here we have 0 into 1 plus minus 2 into minus 2. So this is equals to 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Here it is 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 2, I will get 0. This is 0 and 0, so here it is 0, and here it is plus 4, right? 0 into 1 is 0, 0 plus this minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So this is a square. Let us consider this first equation. Then we have to find a into c. So now a into c is, the value of a is 2, 1, 0 minus 2, and the value of c is minus 3, 2, minus 1, 4. Minus 3 to a into c. So this is equals to, now this line 2 into, we get 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Then here we get 2 into 2 plus 1 into 4. On second line we get 0 into minus 3 plus minus 2 into minus 1, and here we get 0 into 2 plus this is minus 2 into 4. So this is equals to, now this is minus 6, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, this is minus 0 into minus 3 is 0, and then this is plus 2. Here we have 2 into 2 4 plus 4, here it is 0 minus 8. Okay, so finally what we get? We get minus 7, 8, 2, minus 8. This is the value of AC. This we take as equation number 2. So we get equation 1, equation 2, and then minus 5b. So therefore we say that therefore a square plus a 5b minus 5b. This is what we have to find out. A square 4004. A square is 40 and 04 plus the value of AC is minus 7, 8. This is minus 7, this is 8, this is 2, and this is minus 8. Minus 5 into b. Now the value of b is 4, 1 and minus 3 minus 2. This is 4, 1 minus 2 minus 3. Let us see again whether it is right. C is B, 4 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2. Okay, this part is minus 3 and this part is minus 2. So this is equals to, now here we have 4, here we have plus, and this is minus 7, so this is minus 7, and minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Second term I have 0 plus 8 and then minus 5. Here we have 0 plus 2 and plus 15, and last fourth term I have 4 minus 8, and this is minus minus plus 10. So this is equals to what we get. 4 minus 7 is minus 3, minus 20. Here 15 plus 2 we get 17. Here 8 minus 5 we get 3, and 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 10 is 6. So this is equal to minus 23, 3, 17 and 6. So this is required answer. This is what I have to find out. Okay, ABC is given, we have to find A square plus AC minus 5B. And this 13th question, okay, one more question. Now this 13th problem is, if A, B and C is given, then you have to find AC plus B square minus 10C. Now I will leave this problem to you to solve, okay, and cross verify by yourself whether you have done correct or not. Okay, so thank you. We will see you in your next class with few more problems.